In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform grass repair for your yard. I'm going to show you what happened in my yard and how I've been working to fix the grass in my own yard. Stay tuned to see how. We had a power surge, and the surge apparently blew apart the clamp, and the hot electrical wire fell down onto my yard. And you can see right here where it looks like someone took a rope and laid it across my yard and set it on fire. Fortunately, this didn't hit my house. It's in the front of my yard near the street. I guess it avoided my tree here. And so these hot electrical wires were in the ground, on the ground, burning into the ground. So you can see in these photos here exactly what these burn spots looked like immediately after this accident happened with the electrical wires. Not happy when I came home from work that day to see this mess in my yard. So I had these burn spots. I have since laid some patch, some ground patch, and been watering them. It's been a couple of weeks. You can see the green is growing back in the burn spots. But if you have these clamps and you have exposed electrical near your house, power lines, you'd be aware of this. I got another spot right across my driveway here that I didn't put any patch in yet. Actually, this was a low spot. I'd put some sand there to try to build that up. It was caving in right there. But I have another spot right here that I have not treated with any patch. You can see right here, I've got some Scott's centipede grass patch or repair, easy patch kind of stuff. So I had good luck, pretty good luck over here. It looks like it's slowly gonna work on it, but you know, it really messed up my yard. So the way we're gonna repair this grass is I got a rake, and I'm raking the dead pieces out of here. And I guess I'll collect that and put it in the can. So we're raking the dead pieces out of here. Then I'm gonna spread out this Easy Seed stuff that I bought, and we're going to water it. I'm probably going to put some on top of this sand as well. Maybe some of these little bare spots here. Water this area. Try to bring it back to life here. It looks pretty rough. So the ground patch has been spread out in the burn from the electrical wire here in my grass that burned a hole in the yard. And so the watering is taking place. Got the sprinkler going. I turned it down lower, you know, it didn't need a whole lot in this small area right here. So watering, and hopefully we'll have some positive results just like we have over here. It hasn't rained very much lately, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and do that as well. Water this side as well. All right, it's been about a week since I first poured the grass repair in this area on this side of the driveway. You can see right here I've got some little bitty tiny sprigs of grass coming up. Here's some more right over here. So slow process, but you definitely need to remember to water it. And over here on the other side, watered today also thoroughly. On the well-established side, the patch is coming in the middle from the previous type that I laid down. I added some more of this other kind, and you can see that it's coming in pretty well. You just got to make sure you water it. You can't pour this stuff out and not water it. You got to water it. You got to keep it soaked really good. And you can see it's coming in this area right here. It's almost, you know, you can't see the, you know, it's almost completely filled in here pretty well. So I like these kind of sprinklers here, these old school sprinklers that spin around in a circle and kind of just saturate one round area, as opposed to the you know, the sprinklers with the, you know, they go back and forth like that. I like this kind. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put a link in the description of this video to a sprinkler similar to this. Also, I'm gonna put a link to the ground patch or a similar type that I used, and if you don't like those types, obviously you can pick something that'll work for you. But I'm gonna put a link in the description to Amazon for those products. All right.